in my fogged up visor. Let's get set up.
Okay, beautiful evening, ready for a good sunset, I hope. Standing here on the side of the road. I've got the other GoPro set up behind me, and I just started the time lapse. So yeah, pretty spot. I have it framed so that you can see the bike. The bike and the boulders there. And then the sun should be setting somewhere right back here. And we'll see. Maybe those clouds will blow through, or maybe they'll turn a pretty color. I guess we'll find out. So I've got the time lapse going. And we've got, I don't know what time it is. It's about 7:15, so we've got about an hour until the sun is officially set. And there'll be some light for a little while after that, obviously. So I don't know how long I'm going to let the time lapse run. It just kind of depends on what these clouds do. The sky back over in this direction is blue and bright with puffy clouds. But the clouds up here where the sun is setting haven't really done much, at least not to my eye. We'll see in the time lapse. I'm sure we'll see some movement. But I'm kind of hoping that those will blow through enough that we get some pretty color, but I don't know, we'll see. And we're tucked in right on the side of the road, and there are a lot of people out for sunset drives, so it's not exactly the best place to sit and talk. So we're about 15 minutes from sunset, and the weather forecast has changed. I just looked, and they're saying rain maybe at about 8 o'clock, which is right about now. And I don't know if you can see, but this sky is really looking like rain, and the wind is picked up, and it's blowing from this direction. So yeah, it's getting more interesting. That did not go as expected, so I'm calling it a wrap early. The wind is cold and it's picking up, and there started to be some sprinkles of rain, and the sky just wasn't changing, it was just gray. So I figured that's a wrap on the on the time lapse. And yeah, this whole evening has been a little bit of a challenge. I rode up here talking as I rode, at least a little bit, and when I got there and looked, my mic was unplugged from the GoPro, so there was no audio. So yeah, this has been a little bit of a comedy of errors, but it's still a beautiful night, and we'll see. We might get something interesting here. At least we've got a pretty ride home. I've got a new mic setup once again, so it'll be interesting to see what the sound is like.